Namaste students. दूसरा वीडियो आई जेविन डॉक्टर नारायण सिंह सेगौत असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ शल्य तंत्र फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक साइंस ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. In previous class we discussed about carbuncle. In today's class we will discuss about scope and importance of शल्य तंत्र. What is the scope in शल्य तंत्र and what is the importance of शल्य तंत्र? Okay students. Preface. The Susamhita is the representative treatise of the Indian school of surgery. Susruta Acharya is regarded as the father of anatomy and surgery. Shalya Tantra is meant for extraction of foreign bodies, description of instrument, caustic alkali cauterization, and also for diagnosing and deciding of wounds with complete management, including plastic and reconstructive surgery. Remarkable contributions. Concept of microsurgery in Ayurveda, guidelines to improve not only of care of surgical cases but also surgeons' attitude towards surgery as well. Importance of psychological, physiological aspect of the care of surgical patients. Cosmetic aspect in plastic and reconstructive surgery in Ayurveda. Non-operative or minimal invasive method of management of surgical patients. Professional and academic ethics during preoperative periods, experimental surgery and emergency surgery. Divisions of Ayurvedic Shalya Tantra. Minimally invasive surgical method, that is Sharkam, Agnikam, Raktamokshan. Moderately invasive surgical method, that is use of Anusastra and Upyantra. Sharp instrumental surgical method for tumors, vesicles, calculus, hemorrhoids, multiple tract fistula, perforations, intestinal obstructions. Alternative method for surgery, that is uses of Jaloka, Krimi, Megatherapy, Sharkaram also. Non-invasive surgical method, that is use of Panupchar. Special and silent features of Ayurvedic Shalya Tantra. The detailed management of ulcer by 60 procedure covering all aspects from the point of its occurrence to its total healing with cosmetic viewpoint. Apply aspect of plastic surgery, war surgery and merm science. Principle of management of fracture, reduction, immobilization, restoration of the normal functions. Concept of Shart Sutra and management of fistula in Ano. Due to importance to the structural composition of the human body and drug as a dosa, instruments and applied anesthesia for surgery. Practical training means yoga abhyas, operative procedures and parasurgical measures. Plastic and reconstructive surgery. Pathology of disease process is called Satkriyakal. Reasons for decline of surgery in Ayurveda. Absence of adequate anesthesia. Absence of adequate antiseptics. Absence of adequate antibiotics medicines. Lack of proper anatomical practical knowledge, that is dissection, yogyabhyas, vein puncture, etc. Inadequate description and addition of advanced technology methods. Branded as Asuri Chikitsa and greater emphasis on medications because of orthodox beliefs. Spread of Buddhism and Jainism. Lack of royal patronage and encouragement to other system of medicines. Meticulous destruction of system by repeated foreign invasions. So students, as you can see, these are the preface of the Salatans, then remarkable contributions in Salatans and division of Ayurvedic Salatans, Then very important special and silent features of Shailatantra. Reasons for decline of surgery in Ayurveda. This is very important. Step required to support the growth of Shailatantra. We will discuss now. We will discuss step required to support the growth of शल्यतंत्र. शल्यतंत्र के उन्नति के लिए अपन क्या कर सकते हैं? Supply of good supportive technology including analgesic, anesthetic medicines, preliminary support with antiseptics and antibiotics. Because resistance of human beings is too much, decline in the century. Training and use of sterilization, surgical and operative methods, anesthesia also. Practical training at super specialist centers, very important. Use of advanced equipment, instruments and techniques. Propagation of unique Ayurvedic procedures like Agni, Karm, Sharkam, etc. Practical knowledge of location, demonstration and applied aspect of marking surgery. Confidence and self-respect very important. So students, these are the whole contents about Shailatantra. This session is powered by Digital Session 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any doubts and queries, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you, students. This video I gave you from the Narendra Singh Assistant Professor Department of Sanskrit Technology of Ayurvedic Science. Today's class is we discussed about introduction of learning. Today's class will discuss this part of the as part of the hydroxyl. Ancestor hydroxyl of the rock. It is moved over the with somatic, the somatic, with the somatic code on gentle traction to the test, the swelling becomes less mobile. This is the text test. The cancer diagnosis epididymis. Epididymis consists in binary hernia, lipoma of port varicocele. Treatment is excision under local anesthesia. Hydrocele and bilirubin hydrocele. Hydrocele has two independent communicating sacs, one above and one below the neck of the scrotum. Upper one lies superficially in the inguinal canal or institute self between the layers. There is post flagrant. Hydrocele of the canal of neck. It occurs in females in relation to the inguinal ligament. Always in the inguinal ligament. Hydrocele of the hernial sac. It is due to adhesions of the content of hernial sac to fluid secrete collect in the hernial sac and form hydrocele of the hernial sac. The hernia of hydrocele is rare complication of hydrocele. As you can see in this diagram, herniation occurs through dartos muscles. Secondary hydrocele infections, pilosis, tuberculosis, or epidemic. 30% of cases have secondary hydrocele, syphilis, injury, trauma, malignancy. It is usually small, lax, test is usually palpable. Exception is secondary hydrogen due to pilosis. It can be very large. Post-herniorrhaphy hydrocele. It is secondary hydrocele occurring after the surgery for inguinal hernia. It is due to damage of lymphatic vessels of the tunica vaginalis and is 0.2% common. It is treated like an hydrocele but usually after about 6 months. Filarial hydrocele or chylocele. Occurs commonly in coastal regions and in around the equator. Usually occurs after repeated attacks of filarial epidemic. Hydrocele is usually of large size, and the sac is thickened. Fluid contains fat, rich in cholesterol, and is derived from ruptured lymph barracks to the tunica. It is often difficult to differentiate from primary hydrocele. Complications of hydrocele infection, biopsy, hematocele, atrophy of testes, fertility, and neophytosis. Differential diagnosis. Minor hernia, hernia, epidermolysis, testomatosis, testicular tumors, scrotal edema. Hernia is rare complication of hydrocele hernias. Stroke, darto. Treatment of hydrocele surgery, subtotal excision, partial excision, eversion. This is called jugulary operation. Evacuation and eversion, road splication, procedure under GA or spinal or LA after cleaning and draping. Vertical incision of about 6 to 7 centimeters in length made over the scrotum, nearly 1 centimeter lateral to the medial rectum. Skin dartos, external splenic fascia, internal splenic fascia are inside. Bluish hydrocele leg is identified. Fluid is evacuated using trocar and cannula. Sac is opened. You can see this is the trocar and cannula used to evacuate the hydrocele. In this picture, here you can see bluish hydrocele sac and hydrocele fluid in the sac. If the sac is small, thin, and contains clear fluid, either Lord's plague that is tunica is plunged into a rough, replacing series of multiple interrupted stromic catgut suturing so as to make the sac form hyperstitch. Is relatively avascular and so hematoma will not occur. Or evacuation and eversion of the sac behind the testes. After eversion, aortic sac is sutured with chromosomic catgut by continuous suture is done. If the sac is thick, large hydrocele and chylocele, subtotal excision of the sac is done. As tunica vaginalis is reflected on the load structure epidermis. Posterior total excision leads to orchidectomy with division of core. Often the sac is excised partially and then eversion is done, which is called as jugulary operation. After evacuation, the sac with the test is placed in a newly created pocket between the face layers of scrotum, Sermon Java techniques. Aspiration must be avoided as much as possible as it is only a temporary measure. Recurrence occurs very early and chance of hematologic infection are higher. A drain is placed near the root of the scrotum on the lateral aspect because it is one of the most dependent portion when scrotal support is given. So support is given to reduce the scrotal edema. Wound is closed in layers. Train is removed in 48 hours. In this picture, you can see the transreunions of hydroxyl sac during surgery just prior to placing the trocar for evacuation after exposing the sac. Hydroxyl surgery showing sac, trocar, and cannula. Its insertion and evacuation of fluid. As when the surgery for the hydroxyl subtotal excision of the sac, ejaculation of present evacuation, evacuation. Oh, this is all about the hydroxyl. So this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth University Jaipur. I hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any doubts and queries, please mention comment